Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Honey Creations. Today is day 3 of our series Print Handwriting Practice. Simple words, today's practice. First, let us start our lesson with the simple words list. These words are very short, beautiful, and sweet to speak. We use these everyday words in our daily life all the time. Whether we are at home, at school, or playing with friends, we use these simple words to talk and share our ideas. They are the very simple steps in our big English journey. Learning them is like laying a strong base for a house. When you learn these, you will feel very happy and confident. So, let us open our notebooks and get ready to write. Let us learn these basic words together with a big smile. These simple words are the main building blocks of our language. Without these small words, we can't make big sentences later. Think of them like small bricks used to build a tall wall. Every single word you learn today makes your English stronger. When you write them down, your hand gets used to the spelling. When you read them aloud, your mouth learns the right sounds. It is very important to start with the easiest things first. This helps you stay happy and excited about your daily learning. So do not rush, just enjoy every single word on the list. Each word is a special piece of the big English puzzle. These words are very easy to say and very easy to read. Even a small child can learn these words in a few minutes because they are short, they are very easy to remember too. You will see them in your storybooks and hear them in movies. This gives you the energy to keep going to the next words. English is not hard if we start from the very beginning level. These words are also very easy to write in your notebook. When you write, try to say the word aloud. You are doing a fantastic job by practicing your skills. Keep your notebook clean and organized for your future. Practice. Mistakes are just a part of learning something new. Create. Say the words after with me. Cat, dog, sun, milk, tree, uses, animals, plants, top, part, tall, sharp, short, pen, pencil, comb, fan, fad, comb, sketch. Okay? Now we are going to move to our next list of words. We have finished the simple words and you did great work. It is time to challenge ourselves with something a little new. We will now explore a new group called the medium words. These words are a tiny bit different from what we practiced. They are slightly longer and a little bit more complex too. These medium words are special because they have more letters. Because they are longer, they might look a bit hard today. However, you should not let the size of the word scare you. Very long word is just made of smaller parts put together. If you can say the small parts, you can say the big word. It is like playing with blocks to build something very tall. We will talk our time to look at each letter carefully. Say the medium words after with me as it like simple words. Okay? First one is planet. Repeat with me. Second one is journey. Third one is window. Fourth one is door. Fifth one is millets. Sixth one is bottom. Seventh one is guide. Eighth one is letters. Ninth one is special. 10th one is similar. 11th one is cooler. 12th one is dangerous. 13th one is damage. 14th one is product. 15th one is fridge. Now we have finally reached the section for hard words. You have worked so hard to reach this part today. Friend, I know these words might look very long and very difficult, but please do not be afraid of them at all, ever. They are just normal words that are waiting for your help. You have the power to learn anything you want to know. Think of these words as a new level in a game. You have completed the easy levels and the medium levels now. It is time to show how much you have grown today. Let us jump into these big words with a happy heart. These are just long words that are waiting to be mastered. Every single one of them is just a group of letters. They are not scary. They are not here to confuse. They are just big, beautiful words waiting for your clear voice. When you learn to say them, they become your best friends. You will see them in books and hear them in news. Knowing these words makes your English sound very, very professional indeed. Don't worry if they look a little bit strange today. Okay? You are fully prepared to take on this new exciting challenge. You are getting smarter and better every single day, my friend. Let us jump into these big words with a happy heart. These are just long words that are waiting to be mastered. Knowing these words makes your English sound very, very professional indeed. You are getting smarter and better every single day. Preparation means getting everything ready before you start a big risk. Neighbor is someone who lives very close to your house. Possession is simply something that belongs to you or your family. These words appear often in stories and in our daily conversations. Start, say the words, hard words with me, like medium words, okay? First word, university. Second word, unbelievable. Third word, challenge. Fourth word, thunderstorm. Fifth word, bookkeeper. Sixth word, neighborhood. Seventh, establishment. Eighth, identification. Ninth, identity. 10th, successfully. 11, preparation. Thanks for watching our practice journey. You all did great. Please hit the like button and share this with your friends. Don't forget to comment your favorite word from today's list. Subscribe to our channel now so you never miss a day 4 lesson. Day 4 lesson is very interesting than this because we are jumping into sentence.